the government may actually file the affidavit in the Supreme Court explaining the 15-month delay of the Prime Minister in replying to a complaint over A. Raja filed by Subramanian Swamy. Now, as the centre goes on the back foot over the PM's alleged inaction on Subramanian Swamy's plea to prosecute A. Raja, the Congress is staunchly defending the Prime Minister. Speaking on the buck stops here, while Swamy complained that he never got a substantive reply from the Prime Minister, Congress's Jayanthi Natarajan questioned why Swamy did not approach the court to initiate a magisterial inquiry against Raja.
For the Congress to make the argument that Dr. Swamy's petition was not the point, that there were other legal processes in place, Raju Ramachandran doesn't seem to accept that argument, Jayanthi.
No, I don't think that. No, let me state what our position is. The position is that Dr. Swamy wrote to the Prime Minister seeking sanction. The sanctioning authority, according to the Criminal Procedure Code, has to decide upon the basis of material. Now, if Dr. Swamy had gone to the court, he knows best why he did not go to court, why he did not file a private complaint. And if the magistrate had ordered an inquiry, or now if the investigating agency, which is the CBI in this case, had given the Prime Minister material, that is the material upon which a sanctioning authority can decide. Every person of prominence and stature, every political opposition leader can write a letter about any cabinet minister to the Prime Minister. It is not possible for the Prime Minister to act upon that without material. And I have no doubt that the Solicitor General or whichever person is representing the government will put those facts forward in the Supreme Court.
That's not the law. The law is, and there are several Supreme Court judgments which I read out, that the sanctioning authority must apply his mind on the materials provided by the person seeking the sanction and decide whether it is sufficient prima facie material to allow that person to go. Normally, any individual can go to a court and initiate the legal process. But in the case of ministers and public officials, there is this extra filter to prevent people from being harassed, and that's called the sanction.
To her point, that any prominent political leader can declare that they have conducted their own investigation and in a sense then go after a number of people in every government.
Well, he has to have
Isn't
material.
there a legal process?
No, you have to have material.
But are you your own investigating officer? I think that's what she's asking.
This matter has been gone into great detail when the Antule case came up. And there the Supreme Court Constitutional Bench held that individual citizens, not me, who's been a minister or a number of times a member of parliament, an individual citizen, if he prefers a complaint, then that complaint has to be addressed by the sanctioning authority. The sanctioning authority can say, no, there's nothing in it, I'm rejecting it. My complaint was that only that he sat on it. He should have decided one way or the other.